Here I have VIVO V23, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button hotspot. So by tap on it once you can switch your hotspot. By holding your finger around you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change its name, you can display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot, you can change security protocol, you can change its password, you can set up one-time mobile data limit, you can set up maximum amount of connections, and you can also set hotspot to turn off automatically when no devices are connected. And you can also switch its AP band. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.